Chalkola sent me these dot markers for my 3.5-year-old, and he is loving them. It came with 8 different daubers. Here's what the tip looks like this. It reminds me of like a bingo dauber. This is the red one. You got red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, and brown, and pink. I was like, that's only 7. But yeah, they're super easy to use. I daubed it about 10 times before it came out the first time, and it says to store them horizontally. I'm just going to keep them straight back in the box, and just keep the box straight up like that. But they're super easy to use. If I can open it, my 3.5-year-old can open them just fine. It does say not to twist them too tight, probably because little hands won't be able to get them open. They're super fun and easy to do, and he loves them. Let's see if I hold it on for like an extended period of time, because I know that's what my 3-year-old's gonna do. And it still did not like leak as much as I thought it would actually. It came with this project. This one is a fold, and then it stands up. It came with a whole book of nice cardstock paper, which I thought was really cool. Even better yet, there is a QR code on the back that if you scan it, there are 200 plus more activities. These things are really high quality. They help with color recognition, creative expression, fine motor skills, vocabulary. Here's how to use them the first time. Pretty much just what I said. I love these. These are the coolest thing. And attention to detail. Like there's even little grippies for little hands to not drop them or have them slip out of their hands. So these are great. My 3.5-year-old loves these. They are so cool.